Hello everyone, welcome to my another branch video. So you can see this place is really gorgeous. So today we have come here because we want to make a lot of videos after coming here. So here you can see his name is Mamun, and I call him Mamun Mama. So and you can also see his name is Limon and his name is Tariqul Islam Sani. And we all have come by riding cycle. So this is really mind vlogging place as you have seen. So I think this is a really incredible places for the peoples who want to travel anywhere. So right now I would like to show another thing. They're capturing some pictures so that they can make it memorable day. So as well as in front of me you can see this is called motorcycle. So this is riding by this side. So and you can see how he has given pose. So that's really fantastic. So that's all for today's. Assalamu alaikum.